Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lamborghini Urus easily. We'll start by laying down the fundamental shapes. Imagine a sleek, elongated rectangle forming the base of the vehicle, giving it that signature low-slung look. Then, gently place a smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin, ensuring it sits just right. Remember, the Urus is quite long, so aim for a length that's roughly 3 times its height to capture its powerful stance. Next, let's give our Urus some wheels and define those distinctive arches. Carefully sketch 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. The front wheel should be positioned roughly 1/5 of the way from the front of your initial body shape. Now, draw those bold, squared-off wheel arches around each wheel, giving the Urus its aggressive, athletic stance. Aim for the wheels to fill about 2/3 of the arch for a realistic look. Now it's time to bring out the Urus's iconic details and sharp lines. Connect your basic shapes with smooth, confident strokes, giving the body its sleek contour. Don't forget to add those characteristic sharp creases and angles along the side panels, which are a hallmark of Lamborghini design. Sketch in the distinctive Y-shaped taillights at the rear and the slim, aggressive headlights at the front. Finally, draw the large, hexagonal front grille and prominent air intakes to complete its powerful face. For our final steps, let's refine our drawing and add some life to it. Carefully erase any initial construction lines that are no longer needed, leaving a clean outline. Now, introduce subtle shading to various parts of the body, especially under the wheel arches and along the lower panels, to create a sense of depth and realism. Use highlights on the sharp edges to emphasize the Urus's angular and dynamic design. A few reflections can even give it a glossy, polished appearance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.